Hi, I'm Wojciech Szczepucha and this is Living in a Cloud. Today, we'll deep dive into AWS European Sovereign Cloud. Interested? Join me. AWS European Sovereign Cloud. It's not just another region. It's a fully independent European cloud ecosystem, ensuring complete data sovereignty and operational control within EU borders. What does it mean? It means that it will, of course, contain all the services that you know. EC2 instances, S3 storage, EKS, Kubernetes, Lambda serverless, RDS databases, even advanced AI like Amazon Bedrock, SageMaker, and all with identical performance to global AWS. So what is unique? Everything is operated exclusively by EU residents through a dedicated European Security Operations Center. Customer data, metadata, IAM identity, this is crucial, and billing information never leaves EU boundaries. AWS will invest 7.8 billion euros across 15 years. It will also create 2,800 high-skill EU jobs. Of course, compliance. It includes BSI C5 Type 2, ISO 27001, SOC 1, SOC 2, SOC 3, and its proprietary ESC sovereignty review framework with independent third-party audits. So what is another difference? Standard EU regions like Frankfurt, Stockholm, Paris, they maintain sovereign by design, which means the customer content stays in EU. What does it mean and what is the difference with ESC? If you're creating an EC2 instance or storing data in Frankfurt, and if you as a customer will not put them to any other region, wherever within the world where AWS has regions, the data will stay in EU. The only thing that you might be interested is the information like I am, that is the metadata is in US. However, what is the difference in ESC? It goes far beyond. Physically and logically isolated infrastructure. No external dependencies. No data will go beyond EU. Completely blocked access from outside of EU. Independent EU parent company headquartered in Germany. And from what I read, EU leadership team, European Advisory Council, all the employees from the Europe. So it's not an overlay on an existing cloud. It's a totally separated ecosystem with its own Route 53 DNS, certificate authority, and of course direct connect using EU top-level domains as well. So this level of isolation addresses highest sovereignty requirements for highly regulated sectors. And I think that this is the key part. Of course, it includes local zones in EU metropolitan areas. Again, it delivers the same ultra low latency for latency sensitive applications like financial trading, healthcare imaging, gaming, while maintaining complete isolation. Sovereign VPC peering, network paths within EU, and so on and so forth. So for whom it is? It's ideal for European governments that are handling classified workloads, for financial institutions under DORA, for example, regulations, healthcare providers with patient data under GDPR e-privacy, defense contractors. For all general commercial workloads, standard EU regions remain optimal by providing EU data residency without extreme operational isolation. So what is the migration path if you decide to go there? You will have to create another account. You cannot enable European Sovereign Cloud within EU partition because they are separated. So if you want it, go to aws.eu control plane and create a new account, and there you are creating your resources. The roadmap for another, I believe, 4 years is 3 to 5 additional regions across EU. And EU personnel maintains all code bases, which means that even somehow European Sovereign Cloud will be separated from global Amazon, the code base is still here. What to do? Subscribe to my channel to get another AWS news. And if you want to test EU Sovereign Cloud, aws.eu is your place. Thank you very much. Bye.